I would suggest that Ms. Jose should identify kung kaninong office siya nagpunta.
Okay, Senator Erwin Tulfo po.
Had you told us na meron kang sabit sa mga project sa Bulacan, we wouldn't have let you step in the Senate.
Senator Erwin, my brother, listen carefully, listen good. Wala ka ba mga staff na nagsabi, sangkot yung contractor na yan, nagagawa ng terrorismo sa Senate? Mababahiran ka dyan, tol. May mali, because it's happened under your watch. I will call it a poor judgment on you, Senator Erwin. You're my brother, I love you, but you know what? You're not saved. Baka sabihin, sinasalba lang kita dahil utol kita. Wala akong isasalba kahit sino. Sino bang gagawin mong state witness? Tul Ben, yung nangingikil o yung nanonohol? Mga congressman na lang daw ang gawing state witness. Talaga? Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Give me a break. Sino ang magiging kapani-paniwala, credible state witness? Congressman o yung mga kontratista na mga sangkot sa anomalyang flood control projects? Kanino po kayo?